Let me show you how we complete a MacBook screen repair. And just as a side note, this is how only 1 out of 10 repair companies complete a screen repair. Why? Because we only replace the actual damaged LCD and we keep everything else original. That means after your repair, your screen functionality in terms of pixel density, tonality, features like True Tone all remain in place. Replacing the entire screen, which is not what we're doing here, makes sure that you lose functionality of things like True Tone. If you're a designer or someone that can see color tones like that, spend a lot of time on social media, you'll see the difference. For all of our pricing for our MacBook screens, please head to our website. We'll be happy to